Your pinpoint forecast with meteorologist Cedric Haynes.
Good early afternoon, Lake Charles. We are looking at some clouds out there, but the sun peeking through as your downtown Lake Charles this afternoon. 93 degrees, so it's very humid, very muggy out there. Dew point of 72, making it feel like it's 100 plus outside. It's going to get a little warmer throughout the early afternoon before I think we'll finally see some cooling weather moving in. But we do have a little breeze that's helping there. Winds coming in out of the southwest at about 13 miles per hour. Now let's take a look here at the temperatures across the area. You can see we're pretty uniform in the low to mid 90s out there, 93 Lake Charles, but you can see it's very warm and humid. Now you ask, why is it a little drier today? Well, yesterday we had winds coming out of the southeast, and that was bringing in the moisture. Today we have winds coming out of the southwest, as you saw. That's a drier wind, and you see how it kind of dries things out from Texas into Louisiana. But look at this. We got a front to our north and east. Yeah, that front is going to be pushing down to the south. It's going to take its while to do that, though. It's going to move slowly to the south and east. You can see it extends back through Oklahoma and Texas, and waves of energy riding along that front, increasing the rain chances across portions of the southeast, producing flooding there. This front will eventually make its way to our south and bring us enhanced rain chances as well, but not today. Very slight rain chances. In fact, I've lowered them to about 20% for this afternoon. It's just really not expecting much. Most of the activities in Acadiana now, as our Futurecast is doing a great job of depicting, and by lunchtime, again, you can see most of the activity to our east, and by the late afternoon, we may see one or two little sprinkles or isolated showers popping up. Just really not expecting much. I think all the activity will be to our east today, but that does change as we head towards your Wednesday. As you can see on your Wednesday, this cold front will be moving towards the south and getting closer and enhancing rain chances, and I think a much better coverage of showers and storms heading into your Wednesday and for your Thursday as well. Now, we're in the Tropics Center because we do have something to watch down there that we'll continue to keep you updated on as we go throughout the rest of the week. You can see we're going to take you down to the south here into the southwestern Caribbean. You can see here we're watching a disturbance. It's very disorganized now, has a weak circulation with it, but it's still very disorganized, but is expected to get more organized as we go throughout the next several days. Now, there's a tropical system that what computer models are showing that could possibly form down here as we go towards your Friday or so, and there's a couple of different outcomes. One of our computer models are saying that we could see it take a track to the north and west and then move into Mexico, and then we have another computer model, our main American computer model that we like to use that's pretty accurate, that takes this thing up towards the north into the central Gulf of Mexico and along the central Gulf Coast, and then pushing it into the south and east. The good news is we have this front that's going to push through. That means we're going to see high pressure moving in, and we're going to see an almost fall-like air mass into the area, and this system will not affect us. But, of course, we will continue to keep you updated. But right now, looks like the biggest threat would be flooding rains to the inland portions of the southeast. So take a look here at your forecast for today. 94 degrees, mainly on the hot side. Better rain chances tomorrow through the end of the week. And look at that, Agnes, 80s. And 60s return for the weekend.
Ooh, 60s. Now we're getting closer.
And one of the computer models are actually showing 50s. I haven't gone that low, but it just shows you this could be a cool air mass heading this way.
You know I would love that.
I know a lot of people would be right there with you.
All right. Thanks, Cedric.